after
Absolutely.
you?
Let's practice. I'll be your student. How do you want to start?
The first step is I forgot. What's the first step?
Hold the basketball with both hands.
Oh, okay. So first, hold the basketball with both hands.
Got it. I'm holding the basketball with both hands. What's next?
Now, pass the ball to your partner, aiming at their chest.
Okay, I'm ready to pass the ball. What should I do next?
I forgot what you should do next. What's the next step?
No worries. The next step is to look at your partner to make sure they are ready.
Okay. Next step, look at your partner and make sure they are ready.
Great. Now what's next after looking at my partner?
I think it's pass the ball to your partner.
That's right. So I'll push the ball towards my partner with both hands. What's the final step?
Oh, okay. Let me repeat the last step. Push the ball to your partner with both hands.
Perfect. Now, for the final step, finish with your hands pointing at your partner.
Can you repeat that slowly?
Sure. Finish with your hands pointing at your partner.
Finish with your hands pointing at your partner.
Great job. You've got it. Do you want to go through the steps one more time?
No, thank you very much for your help. Wow, so I finished practicing with ChatGPT on teaching third grade students how to teach basketball. I hope you could try it too.